Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make ghost text in Capcut. This captivating effect adds a transparent, ethereal quality to your text, making it appear as if it's subtly fading in or out. It's perfect for intros, outros, or highlighting key information without being too distracting. We will walk through each step, ensuring you can easily replicate this professional-looking effect in your own projects. First, open Capcut and import your chosen video clip onto the timeline. Once your footage is in place, tap on the text option and select Add Text to create a new text layer. Type out the words you want to transform into ghost text. For the best results, choose a bold, clear font style and adjust its size to be prominently visible on your screen. This foundation is crucial for the effect. After the Roblox player is installed, it will automatically launch and begin loading your chosen game. This seamless transition means you'll be in the game world in a matter of seconds. You can then explore, interact with objects, and chat with millions of other players from around the globe, enjoying countless hours of fun. To perfect the ghost effect, fine-tune the opacity of your top overlay text layer. Experiment with values between 30 and 60% to find the ideal level of transparency that suits your video's aesthetic. You can also add a subtle animation, like a fade-in or fade-out, for extra flair. Once satisfied, export your video in high definition to share your professional-looking ghost text creation with the world.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.